Hey guys, today I have a Samsung washer and electric dryer matching set. Right now, got it going normal load. We've got it set to extra high, so it's going to spin super fast on the spin cycle. Soil level's normal, so didn't extend out the wash time temp. We just set it to warm, so it actuates both the cold and hot valve. You have a ton of different options on here. These washers spin really fast. Right now it's getting going on a heavy towel load, so I've got some hand towels, bath towels, shop towels all in there, and this is king size capacity, so it's gonna full submersion. Those are floating around getting agitated real good, and I'm going to show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, has a nice fast smooth final spin cycle, all things you check out as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You want to know when you get it home, plug it in, that you'll be good to go. It's the purpose of this video. So once the washer's all done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. Okay, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's draining that water out nice and fast. Of course, you can hear it back here. Alright, we will let it from here. It's going to fill back up, agitate for a bit on the rinse cycle. Then we'll be draining out for the final spin, which is what I'll come back for next. Okay, still working on the extraction spin, but just giving you an idea how fast this thing, I don't know what's going on with the weird towel in the middle. Just to show you how fast it's spinning. Super fast. Probably don't want to put a super heavy towel load like this on the extra high spin. It's probably fine on just mediums. As a matter of fact, the owner's manual says the heavier the load, the lower you want to spin it out, especially bedding items. And I think some of these stickers here say it too. There's a couple of them on here. But I kind of like to run everything full blast, especially for the test loads there. But nice, smooth, quiet operation. All right, coming out of the rinse cycle into that final spin cycle, and it's getting started, draining, spinning, balancing. So we'll come back in about 8 minutes at its fastest point and show you at its fastest point spinning. All right, it's getting up to its super speed. See, spinning super fast. Nice smooth operation. So I'm gonna let this finish up. Then I'm going to go ahead and move these clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer is working perfectly. Alright, now we've got the clothes moved out of the washer. You see a nice king size capacity there. Everything's nice and clean. Come over here to the matching electric dryer. We've got it set on normal, very high, and high, so multiple different heat settings. Although I just kind of go normal, turn it up full blast, and let it do its thing. And it's running all those towels right now. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. And I'll show you where the lint trap is. Super important to make sure you change out the lint trap each and every load. So we'll open this up, shoot this right inside the heating element tube. So it's nice and hot. Heat coming out of that tube right there. Mixes with the clothes, gets them dry. And then the airflow exits right here at the front. And this is your lint trap. Just want to make sure that gets cleaned out before each and every load, so you got good airflow going through there. And you've got your nice bright light right here. So that's how that works. Close that up, hit start. And I'll let these go ahead and finish up. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.